Hi, section 6.2 multicast connectivity. Okay, let's see our topology here. This is our topology on this section. It says switcher 1 is in Houston is the source of multicast video streaming application using group 230.10.10.10. Okay. Switcher 1 is source of the multicast. It's using this group and it will stream using its VLAN 9021 interfaces. Let us switch on show IP interface brief. It will use this interface as a streaming. Okay, this is our source. So switch on is source. And it's a Comco turn to advertise itself as RP. But we said it should be used RP. We have dense mode, PIM dense mode, sparse mode, and sparse dense mode. Sparse dense. In dense mode, we don't have RP. We don't use RP. And in sparse, we have RP. We should use RP. We'll use sparse mode here. Okay, this is sparse. We should use sparse mode as loopback 1 via industrial standard protocol for group this one. Okay, it says we should use industrial standard protocol. We have two protocols. One is BSR, the other one is AutoRP. AutoRP is Cisco proprietary and BSR is standard. We should use BSR as PIM protocol here for finding PIM RP addresses for this group. And configure 6 and 7 to receive multicast feed to group this on the loop power. 6 and 7 are receivers. This is 6 are receivers. Source and receivers. This is upstream toward source. And it's a multicast traffic sent from Houston to Reno. Should routed over INE tunnel if available. If this tunnel fails, it should fall back using level 3 tunnel. Okay, we should use this path. It should be our primary path. If this path fails, we should use this path. Okay, let's configure this section. One more thing we should. Okay, let's configure 6 and 7 first. On 6. Let's see if loopback 1, if PIM IP spas is enabled on loopback 1. Show IP pim interface. We have sparse mode here. We should enable pim sparse on loopback 1. This is loopback 1 interface. Config T interface loopback 1 IP pim sparse mode. Same one here. Config T to show IP pim interface. Interface loopback 1 IP pim sparse mode. Okay, pim is enabled on loopback 1, and we should join this loopback to this group. Okay, let's IP IGMP join 230 10 10 10. Okay, do show IPM root. Okay, you have joined this group. You have to this is for sparse mode, and this is the I joined group. Okay, let's configure Alt10. BSI is standard, as I said before, and auto-IP is scope proprietary protocol. We should use BSI here. BSI is using two rules. One is candidate BSI, the other one is candidate IP. To configure candidate BSI, we should use this command, ippim BSI candidate, and this to verify it, we should use show ippim BSI rather. And to configure candidate RP, we should use ippim RP candidate, and to verify it, we should use show ippim RP mapping. Okay, let's configure R10. Show IP pim interface. We should enable on a pim sparse on a loopback 1. Config T interface loopback 1 IP pim sparse mode. It says with for this group we should use access list here. Access that list. Okay, let's please configure access list. IP access list. Yes. So standard access list. Standard Let's see. For RP 20 permit 230 111 exit. Okay, and let's configure first. Let's first configure BSI candidate. IP pin BSI candidate. For loopback 1. Let's configure IRP. Loopback 1. Which is the group list there. And for group list, IP name as well, we have RP. Let's verify. Do okay, this is the back. Mapping. This is mapping. This is bootstrap order. And this is upstream uptime. Okay, done. This done. This done. And so multicast traffic sent from host to tuner should be routed over INE and T if available. And if this tunnel fails, it should use level 30 tunnel. Okay, we have two options here. One is to configure a static input on R1, 5, 9, 10, or we can static input, or we should use BGP. The other option is use BGP multicast address family. We will use BGP multicast address family on R1, 5, 9, and 10. And for using this path to be preferred, we will use BGP weight attribute toward this path. We will configure weight on R5 and we'll send outbound this path over this path to this path to be preferred. Okay, let's configure. 10 BGP multicast. Oh, okay, let's see one. Let's confirm 9 and 10, then 5, then 1. Okay, the R9 show run pipe section, rotate BGP. I will use BGP P session and P templates for this configuration. For more information about BGP P template and P session template and P policy templates, this is good document. Configuring P policy templates and configuring P session templates. This is configured within BGP. We have multi protocol BGP. We can use multicast at this family here. Okay. On our 9, let's see our non-configuration. This is our BGP configuration from last section. What we see one, we have P policy. Okay, we have configured this path. Okay, let's clear this one. Let's clear this one, yeah. Oops. I have to come BGP to right here from R9 to R5. On R9, I have local this path. Okay, good. I've already configured P session for this no. Okay, I have already configured this P session. I don't need to configure this anymore. I just have to activate in IPv4 multicast. Okay, let's configure this. Config T, rotate BGP this one, add this family IPv4 multicast. This is 159. Enable this one and activate. Down on our 10 to show part section rotate BGP. Rotate BGP this one. I have already have P session for this this AS. For this AS, just I have to activate in IPv4 multicast address family. Address family for multicast. This should be one for this one. Neighbor activate. Okay, I have to configure on a 5 and 1. Let's see 5. Show down pipe section Hotel BGP. Conflict. Hotel BGP. This one. I have to create eBGP from R5 to R1. This path eBGP. BGP. Between AS 3000 and 2000. I have already configured for this 30,000 and 40,000, and for this I have to create new P session template. Okay, let's compare P session template. P, what is the command? Template P session, let's say 5 host. This is for host tone. Remote AS is 2000. Exit, and let's inherit only R1 tunnel IP address. What is our remote AS IP address? Show IP interface brief. I have two tunnel. I have to enable BGP over these two tunnels. Okay, one for this. 51. Okay, R5. Maybe this inherit host tone. Oh, excuse me. Inherit P session host tone. And the neighbor, the other one is this one. Inherit P session host tone. Okay, I have enabled eBGP over these two tunnels by BGP session. Let's go on the other one. On our one, let's see what is our remote AS IP addresses for R1. To show IP interface brief. These are remote AS IP addresses for R1. Okay, config T. To show type section. BGP. BGP 2000. I don't have template session for 3000. This is 30,000, not 3000. Let's configure our BGP session first. BGP session. This is for Sacramento. Remote AS is 3000. Exit. And let's add neighbors. Neighbor. Our 5 is tunnel 1 neighbor. This one. INE P Session Sacramento. And the neighbor. This one. Sacramento. Okay. Done. I have conquered eBGP session between 1 and 5 by using BGP Session in IDES family multicast. Oh, I have to activate in my IDES family too. Let's activate it on our 5 IDES family IPv4 multicast to shut down pipe section with a BGP. To shut down pipe. This is host on neighbor. This one activate and neighbor. This one activate. Same on our one. Add this family IPv4 multicast. Neighbor, this one activate. Neighbor. Activate. Okay. I have to do two more things. One is to advertise our term on our term do show IP interface brief. I have to advertise this network in BGP address family multicast network. This is 34 must and I have to advertise switch 1 this network on our one. network. This is 24 mask. Okay, let's verify BGP. 5 show BGP IPv4 multicast summary. This is our IPv4 multicast. We have two neighbors. This is on up and up. Multicast. This is our that are advertised on R1. If I do show BGP IPv4 multicast. Next up is this one. Five. See. Do show on point BGP. On 10. Do show BGP IPv4 multicast. Okay, this is 0. What is this? Multicast summary. Number 5. Just done. This I don't have any label. Okay, I didn't configure this way. I have to configure this way either. Okay, let's configure this way. On R5. Should on pipe section dot BGP. Well, I've already have this P session for 9 and 10. I have to just activate in address family IPv4 multicast. Okay, let's configure this one. Config here. .bgp. This one, yes. Okay. .bgp 3000. Address family of multicast. Neighbor this one 2. Yes, 59 and 105. Enable this one, activate, enable this one, activate. Okay, done. Okay, I don't know reachability for this one. 5 to show IP BGP, to show BGP, show BGP IPv4 multicast. Okay, I have now have this route and this one. Good. One last thing, it says it should use this tunnel. It should use this tunnel. Let's verify if it is using this tunnel or this one. It should use INE tunnel. Can verify it. Hmm, 10. Okay, let's verify if it is using INE tunnel first. Show BGP. Show BGP IPv4 multicast. Show BGP multicast. This part. This part is here. This is IP address of switcher 1. This is the switcher 1 VLAN IP address. Okay, R5 is using best this path 110.51 50.51. Okay, this is using this path level 30 as preferred, not INT. Local path is same, external, and this is best. Okay, to force R5 to use INT path, we should use wait. Okay, we can use wait attribute. Okay, let's see how to configure it. Show run pipe section .bgp. I have to create BGP P policy template first, then force R5 to use this tunnel. Okay, config T BGP this one. BGP P BGP template, no, not BGP what BGP template. Oh, okay. Template P policy. Let's say template P policy hosting. I can use wait here. Set default wait for routers from this neighbor. Let's say wait. Should higher wait. Okay. Now I have to go start this family and for this path. This is 5051. Higher rate is more preferable. This is for neighbor. Yes, neighbor this one. Fifty-one. So 51. Okay, neighbor. Inherit P policy. What policy? Host. Go to declare BGP session BGP and clay BGP all for this neighbor. Okay, now wait for this one. Show BGP IPv4 multicast. With this path. Okay, we can see we have wait this up configured wait here, and it is using this path as best. It is using INE and T as best path. Show BGP IPv4 multicast. Yes, we have wait here either. Good. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.